Okay, what's up, everybody? Chris Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions. Great to see everybody. So today we're going to talk about, we're doing another segment, 5 tips on getting approved by hard money lenders, right? So we've done some segments in the past on what to expect when you're a new borrower with us or any other lender for that matter. And people always ask follow-up questions. How do I streamline the process? How do I make sure, I'm giving you what you want? How do I make sure I'm going to get approved? And we're pretty easy to do business with, but we figured it might make sense to do some pointers for those out there that maybe are newer to the hard money process or never borrowed hard money before. So what we're going to do is we're going to break down those tips for you. We're going to focus on 5 to get you approved faster by hard money lenders like us. And it's quite simple. If you're an investor who wants to move quickly on a deal, but often traditional banks, either don't like these deals or they move very slow on these deals, and I can get into that. And that's not a knock on traditional banks. We have great relationships with our traditional lending team, and we actually work well with a lot of traditional lenders. Meaning, for properties that our investors are going to hold, they use our money up front because we could take on the risk and move fast. And then what we say is we give them the red bow treatment. We take all the risk out of the property. The borrower buys it with our money, fixes it up with our money. If there's tenants in there, they get them out. They put good tenants in. They get all the ratios, working the right way for the bank. They fix all the capital issues or the deferred maintenance issues. And then by the time we bring or the borrower brings this deal to a traditional bank, we call it the red bow treatment. Beautiful red bow, just like on those fancy car commercials. And then we kind of give it to them on a silver platter. If it's always good to work with traditional banks and hard money lenders like us, but it's very difficult to work with them out of the gate. So if you meet any of these criteria, or you're an existing borrower, as well, but you're not using us, this video might be helpful for you as well. So let's dive in and give you 5 tips on how to get approved quickly by hard money lenders like Flip and Hold Funding. Stay tuned.